Sometimes I wake up and I feel like that I'm dreaming. A nigga made it out the mud, I can't believe it. I know a couple niggas wanna see me bleeding. Shots fired, man down, I ain't breathing. But I told them pussy niggas catch me when they see me. I got a bad little bitch and she can see it. Sometimes I text her back and she don't even read it. And she said she love me, but you know I don't believe it. You know I'm
YouTube, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another one, man. In this video, I did like a low drop fade. So basically what I'm doing here is just creating my first guideline, and I'm gonna bring it around his head, and I'm gonna clear what's under it. So after I do that, I grab my Andy shavers, and then I just make it as bald as possible for a greater transition. So my client wanted a 2 against the grain, you know, just to make everything all one level, and then I'm gonna start the fade from there. Yeah, boom. So once I, took everything down to that length, I started his beard. I take the one guard, open it, and then I go with the lever open, no guard, open it, and then I just play with the lever open and close until, it gets a blurry effect. So right here is lever open. I create my second initial guideline. Same steps applying the beard. One, lever open, and just play with it, open and close. Now it's all about lever work, Just go back and erase that line completely. And that's gonna be the base of my haircut right there. You just gotta get that as tight as I can. Boom. So my client wanted to lower his beard to a 4. I leave the lever open, and I just clear the bulk on his beard. After that being done, I just go ahead and give him a little rough draft of how I'm gonna make the beard look. And then I'm gonna start my next step for the fade from there. Yeah, so after that, I just grab my high 1.5 guard. I open the lever on it, and then I create my second initial guideline. So after that's done, I close the lever, and then I go right underneath that line I just created, so I can soften up that middle line for my 1.5 guard. my next step, I take my one guard, and then I just leave the lever open, and then just go under that line again and soften it up even more.
You've never seen Ronnie.
So in this clip, I had put on my half guard, just lever work, open and close to completely erase that middle line.
You've never seen Ronnie.
Yeah, so I noticed there's a little bit of a line in the back of his head. You know, it's always good to go over your work and make sure that you get the blend to be as tight as possible.
You've never seen Ronnie.
Alright, so right here, I'm about to just apply some firm dry to his hairline. What this does is just basically stiffen up your hairline, so when I hit it with my trimmers, it makes it as crispy as possible.
You've never seen Ronnie. You've never seen Ronnie.
Crispy, man. So when that's all done, I just go underneath my first guideline I had created, you know, just hit it, make sure everything's as blurry as possible.
You've never seen Ronnie.
Yeah, so right here, I apply some beard and body oil on my client. I'm about to hit him with the hot towel, you know, to give him that relaxation that he came for.
You've never seen Ronnie. You've never seen Ronnie.
Yeah, man, so as you can see, everything came along pretty good. Client satisfied with the cut, you know. Now I'm about to just clean up under his neck, you know what I mean, and then go from there.
You've never seen Ronnie.
YouTube, this is the final cut. Please leave a like,
And subscribe to my channel, man. I got more coming, trust me. Only the beginning.